So, welcome to back our YouTube channel Career Focus. This is part 4 of your MCQs regarding river system of India. Now today we will discuss some important MCQs on Brahmaputra rivers. We have already discussed the MCQs our Ganga river and Yamuna river. Now today we are going to discuss the important MCQs our Brahmaputra river. The very first question is near Mansarovar Lake in Tibet, there is the source of the river. Near Mansarovar Lake in Tibet, there is the source of lake Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus, and all of the above. Now we have already discussed about Brahmaputra, which originate from the Tibet near Mansarovar, and we have already discussed about Satluj. It's also originate from Tibet, from Rakastal Lake, and river Indus is also originate from Tibet near Mansarovar Lake, just south of Mount Kailash. And these three options are right. And here fourth one, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above is the right answer, because these three rivers are originate from Tibet, and the fourth option match with all these three. Okay, the next question. Manas is the tributary of the river. I have repeated these questions many times in the class. Now I hope the students who are taking daily lectures, for them these questions are nothing for them, because I have choose some questions which are very easy to solve and not very difficult. The Manas is the tributary of river. Of which river? Here the option is Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, and Brahmaputra. Now put your answer in the comment box. Now, the right answer is Brahmaputra. These three rivers we have have already discussed today's lecture. Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna. These are east flowing river. If you are new in this lecture, please visit our playlist, Geography JKPSI, Geography section. Okay. We have discussed all these things in the lectures. I hope you understand. The next question. The Brahmaputra, Irrawaddy, and Mekong river originate in Tibet, narrow and flow in parallel mountain range in their upper reaches. Of these rivers, Brahmaputra makes U-turn in its course to flow into India. This U-turn is due to the U-turns. I have already discussed this in conceptual way. The Brahmaputra rivers flows 1200 kilometers parallel to the Himalayas ranges, and then it takes U-turns in Arunachal Pradesh, and here in this range, in U-turn, it make Namcha Varva Gorge. Namcha Varva Gorge. The question is that the U-turn is due to. The U-turn is due to, here is the options: uplift of folded Himalayan ranges, syntaxal bending of geographical young Himalayas. I have already discussed this point. Okay. If you are new one in this MCQ series, please visit our channel and watch all the lectures which we have already discussed. The C, geotectonics disturbance in the tertiary folded mountain chains. The option D is both A and B. According to you, which option is right here? The right answer is this, B part. syntextuals bending up geological young Himalayas. The next question. In India, Yarlung Tsangpo River is known as Yarlung Tsangpo River. This name is in Tibet. We have already discussed about it. This name is in Tibet. What this river is known as Yarlung Tsangpo in Tibet. What the name he got in India? What the name this river got in India? Option is Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra and Mahanadi. According to you, which option is right? Please put your answer in comment box. The right answer is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is known as Yarlung Tsangpo in Tibet. The next question is, which of the following rivers have almost the same point of beginning? Almost the same point of beginning. There is option A, Brahmaputra and Ganga, and you can pick up it odd one because Brahmaputra is originated from Tibet and Ganga is originated from Gangotri, Uttarkashi, district of Uttarakhand. Tapi is east flowing river. Sorry, Tapi is west flowing river. Okay. Vyas is the tributary of Indus. Okay. Brahmaputra and Indus and Ganga. Now here you can imagine and here you can put out odd one. Indus is originated from Tibet, yes, but Ganga is originated from Uttarkashi. Brahmaputra is originated from Tibet and Indus is also originated from Tibet. You can say that this option C is right here because the question is which of the following river have almost the same point of beginning, and Brahmaputra and Indus river have almost the same point of beginning. I hope you understand this question. Next question. In Tibet, Brahmaputra is known as, we have already discussed about it, Padma. No, Padma. In Bangladesh, Ganga is known as Padma. Chimayungdung, this is glacier. Himajung, no. Just we have already discussed about in above question. I think question number. Okay, leave. You will waste. The right answer is Tsangpo. In Tibet, Brahmaputra river is known as Tsangpo. Okay. Next question. The catchment area of Brahmaputra is. You can imagine Brahmaputra is originated from Tibet, then India, and then enter. Here is option: Tibet, Bangladesh, India, India, China, Bangladesh, Tibet, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sikkim, and Bangladesh, West Bengal, Bhutan, Nepal. According to you, which option is right? Please put your answer in the comment box. The right answer is option A, Tibet, then India, then Bangladesh. Okay. The option B is India, China, and Tibet are Tibet in China. You cannot write them in two separate parts. Next question. Which of the following are the tributaries of Brahmaputra? We have already discussed about the tributaries of Brahmaputra. Here, which of the following are tributaries of Brahmaputra? If you have already watched my videos, then you will never get the problem of solving these questions. The option is Dibang, B, Kamyang, C, Lohit, and select the answer code. Select the answer code. Here I will tell you Dibang and Lohit is the tributary of Brahmaputra. Only one no, only 2 and 3 no, only 1 and 2, only 1 and 2 no. Sorry, actually Kamyang is also the tributary of Brahmaputra. Dibang, Kamyang and Lohit, and this option D is the right answer. Option D 1, 2, 3 is right answer. Kamyang is also a tributary of Brahmaputra. I have given you the trick to remember of this, of all the tributaries of all three rivers. Okay, next question. Consider the following rivers. List the following rivers: Warak, Lohit, Subansiri. Which are the above flows through Arunachal Pradesh? You have given three rivers. From these three rivers, which rivers are flowing through from Arunachal Pradesh? Option A only A, option B 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3, option D 1, 2, 3. According to you, which option is right? The right answer is 2 and 3 only. Lohit and Subansiri are flows through from Arunachal Pradesh. I hope you got it. The next question. Question number 11, question number 10. Which place does the river Dihang known as Brahmaputra? Dihang river. Actually, when Yarnang Sangpo rivers, the Brahmaputra is known as Yarnang Sangpo in Tibet, but when it enters in India through Arunachal Pradesh, here the Yarnang Sangpo river is known as Dihang. What it names get changed into Brahmaputra. This is 4 places. In which places the river Dihang known as Brahmaputra? Sadia town, Anani, Balukpong, and Zero. I have already give you the idea about Sadia town. About this is the upper valley of Assam, where 3 rivers get merged and become Brahmaputra. Sadia town is known as the Sadia town is the right answer. Option A is right answer. Okay. Question number 11. Which of the following rivers join with Dihang river to form Brahmaputra near the city of Sadia? Sadia we have already discussed in question number 10. Dibang and Dihing, Dibang and Dhansiri, Dibang and Lohit, all of the above. According to you, which option is right? The Lohit river joins the Dihang river at Sadia town. After that, it gets the name of Brahmaputra. Next question. Which of the following is the largest number of freshwater riverine island formed by river Brahmaputra? You know very well. We have discussed this in very detailed. Which of the following is the largest number of freshwater riverine islands? In which you can say that here the question want to ask you, in which place where the riverine island, the world largest riverine island is found in Brahmaputra? This is Majoli. Majoli is the district of Assam. The whole district is made up of islands, and you can say that this is the world largest freshwater island over any river. Majoli Island. You can say Majoli Island. Okay, it is river and island. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not north bank tributaries? North bank tributary means your left banks, from left side. The rivers which come to join the river Brahmaputra from left side. Which are the following not the north bank tributary of the river Brahmaputra? You can say Noal, Dihing, Jiadhal, Siang, Dhansari. According to you, which option is right? The option Noa, Dihing. The right answer. This is not the north bank tributary of river Brahmaputra. Next question. Which of the following is not the south bank tributary of the river Brahmaputra? Okay. One, there is two different questions. One from north, they asked from northward side, and other was asked by from southward side. Okay. Which is not the north bank tributary of the river Brahmaputra? Degru, Kopli, Manas, Krishna. According to you, which option is right? The Manas. Okay. Manas is very important river. Visit to our playlist of geography where I have discussed these all rivers in detail. Okay, next question. Which of the following tributary of the river Brahmaputra is snow-fed? Which tributary of the Brahmaputra is snow-fed? Okay, snow-fed. Noadhing, Swansiri, Buridhing, and Pagladia. Which is the right answer here? The right answer is Pagladia. Pagladia is the snow-fed tributary. Okay. Next question. What is the name of the river Brahmaputra in Bangladesh? In Tibet, Yarlang Sangpu. Sangpo. India, Brahmaputra. Also, Dihang in Dihang. Dihang in Arunachal Pradesh before joining the Lohit at Sadia town. It had the name Dihang, but Brahmaputra after meeting three rivers. When three rivers joins, two rivers join Dihang at Sadia town, it get named the Brahmaputra. Here the question is, what is the name of the river Brahmaputra in Bangladesh? Yamuna no, Padma no, Madhua no. And according to you, which option is right here? Meghna no. Sorry. What is the name of the river Brahmaputra in Bangladesh? Yes. Two different names, Yamuna and Jamuna. Okay. Jamuna is the right answer. Okay. Brahmaputra in Bangladesh is known as Jamuna. Meghna is the tributary of Brahmaputra, but Meghna got the name because Meghna, you can say that there are two rivers which join Padma. First Padma joined with Yamuna, and then again Padma joined the Meghna. Then it flows to the name of Meghna. Okay, this is the question number 16. The right answer is Yamuna. The question was asked, what is the name of the river Brahmaputra in Bangladesh? And I hope you have understand these all questions. Please, if you are new in this question series, please visit our playlist, our YouTube channel Career Focus, where you can get the details of these all topics. We have already discussed these things in detail. I hope you got all. Thank you for watching.